Namaskar. Friends, continuing with the series of duties and responsibilities of a train manager in Indian Railways during abnormal circumstances, today we will talk about the duties of a train manager when there is an alarm chain pulling (ACP) in a coaching train. Let us first understand the alarm chain pulling (ACP) system. Alarm chain pulling (ACP) is an emergency safety system provided in passenger trains in Indian Railways. It enables passengers to stop the train during a genuine emergency by pulling a chain connected to the train's braking system. The basic purpose of the ACP system is 1. Medical emergencies requiring immediate attention. 2. Fire incidents in coaches. 3. To provide assistance to vulnerable passengers, such as elderly, disabled, who have missed boarding the train. 4. Safety hazards to passengers or the train. 5. Technical emergencies that endanger passenger safety. Role and duties of the train manager. Train managers play a key role in managing and resolving ACP incidents. When an ACP incident occurs, the train manager of the train must follow a strict, multi-step immediate response protocol. Step 1. Initial response. 1. Signal identification. Train managers show a red hand signal to the loco pilot to indicate that the train has stopped. 2. Location identification. They immediately locate the coach from which the ACP has been pulled using indicator lights. 3. Safety assessment. They ensure that the train has stopped in a safe location, such as avoiding bridges or tunnels. 4. Communication. Coordinate with the loco pilot using whistle signals. Step 2. Investigation. 1. Reaching the affected coach. Train managers immediately go to the identified coach for investigation. 2. Evaluating the emergency. They determine if there is a genuine emergency and provide immediate assistance. 3. Document the details. They note down important information, including the coach number, its position relative to the engine, and the kilometer post at which the train stopped. 4. Establishing the cause. They establish the reason for the chain pulling, whether it was a genuine emergency or a false alarm. Step 3. System reset. 1. Resetting the mechanism. Depending on the type of coach, they reset the ACP mechanism. A. ICF coaches push the disc into its socket or rotate it 90 degrees. B. LHB coaches insert a special key and turn it clockwise. C. MEMU Vande Bharat trains follow specific electronic reset procedure. D. Restoration of pressure. They ensure that adequate brake pipe pressure is restored. E. System check. They verify that all ACP indicators are clear. F. Authority. They signal the loco pilot to proceed only after the system is completely reset. Documentation and reporting. The train manager has to keep a detailed and accurate record of each ACP incident. Mandatory records. 1. Train report. T34HF. They document the details of the train halting. 2. Incident log. Train managers record the incident in their rough journal. 3. Communication log. They keep a detailed record of all communications with the control room. 4. Evidence collection. They collect evidence such as photographs or witness statements if required. Information to be recorded by the train manager. 1. Exact time and place of the incident. 2. Coach number and its position from the engine. 3. Kilometer post at which the train halted. 4. Reason for pulling the chain, real or false. 5. Duration of halting of the train. 6. Action taken to resolve the incident. 7. Details of culprit, if identified. Immediate communication by train manager. 1. Control room, immediately inform divisional control. 2. Next station. They alert the station master of the next scheduled stop. 3. RPF control. They inform if any unauthorized ACP is detected. 4. Punctuality cell. They update for timetable management. Communication channels used by train manager. 1. Walkie-talkie for immediate, on-the-spot updates. 2. Mobile phone for detailed reporting. 3. Control communication system for formal reporting. 4. Text message for official documentation. Coordination with other staff. The train manager has to coordinate with other staff to manage the incident effectively. On-board team coordination. 1. Ticket checking staff. TTE take their help when required for passenger management. 2. Coach conductors and attendants take their help to identify offenders and maintain order. 3. RPF personnel take their help to handle law enforcement duties if available. 4. Assistant loco pilot coordinate with locomotive crew to save time. Coordination with station staff. 1. Station master requests immediate assistance for reset when ACP is in station. 2. Platform staff takes help for crowd management. 3. RPF personnel takes their help to apprehend offenders if available. 4. Emergency actions and performance metrics. Emergency actions. If the train manager is unable to reset the ACT system due to reasons such as coach being too crowded or ACT setting procedure not working, he has to follow the following procedures. 1. Isolation method. They use the isolation procedure given below the coach to bypass the affected system and inform the approaching carriage and wagon station to correct the ACT setting of the coach. In such circumstances, they also inform the passengers to use the ACT setting of the adjacent coach to stop the train in case of emergency. 2. Alternate arrangement. They arrange to shift the passengers to another coach, if required. 4. Technical assistance. They inform the section controller to send a special technical team for assistance, if required. 5. Service continuity. Train manager takes all necessary steps to minimize service disruption. Performance metrics. The performance of the train manager is measured against specific target response times for ACT incidents. 1. From identification to reset, maximum 5 to 15 minutes. 2. Documentation, to be completed within 30 minutes of the incident. 3. Reporting, initial report to be submitted within 1 hour. 4. Follow-up, full report to be submitted within 24 hours. Friends, now you must have understood what a train manager has to do for an ACE. An ACT not only affects the punctuality of the train but also inconveniences the common passengers. Therefore, all of you are requested to use alarm chain pulling only in necessary circumstances during the journey. In case, if you are using ACT for unnecessary reasons, then you may be fined or even jailed as per the Indian Railways penal rules. We hope that after these information, you will have a feeling of respect for the train manager. Thank you very much for listening to us carefully. In the next part, we will meet with one more duty and responsibility of a train manager in an unusual situation. Till then, please allow us. Namaskar.